What the heck is this? Good morning, guys. It's day 3. Told you I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. If you're new, my name is Peter Boo. And this morning, we just need some coffee because I'm dead as a bed. I'm dead in my bed right now. My soul is dead. I'm dead.
If you knew, I'm Peter Boo. That's so good.
Why do you say it again? Anyways, we're going to go to Priscilla's right now. We're gonna get some coffee, and then we're gonna go to my grandma's anniversary celebration thing where I'm gonna be singing, and I'm gonna try to get. You wanna hold my camera for that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right. So see you inside. We'll see you inside of Priscilla's. Rip my stomach. Do you guys see this line? Me and William were literally in line for like 2 seconds. We turn around and everyone is just packed now. And I just ran into someone from high school and I didn't recognize him, and he walked out. I was like, "What's up, Peter?" I was like, "What's up, Peter?" I was like, got me shook, dude. He got me shook. And he walked out. He was like, "What's up, Peter?" Like knew me right away, and I was like, "Is that Nick? Is that Nick? It's Nick. It's Nick." I know like 3 Nicks, but it's Nick. I don't know how, you guys aren't gonna know him, but I knew him. It's kind of weird. Well, I'm gonna dig into this. I'm pumped. You guys like my good balanced breakfast? Yo, I'm sad they didn't give us a picture.
Oh, it's not like that time you got a chode?
Yeah, I got a chode. You guys want to see some magic?
Yeah. And is that?
Why is this happening? So we're almost done with our coffee time.
Yeah, a little.
I just showed him a video that I saw yesterday that kind of pissed me off too, but I'll show you right now. Yeah, isn't that stupid? Why did he chuck a cat? Who chucks a cat? I told Darius last night, I was like, oh my god. We were on FaceTime and I was like, oh my god, someone chucked a cat. And she started laughing and she's like, what does that even mean? I'm like, he literally chucked a cat. And then I showed her and then she was like, wow. You know? And then there were a bunch of people that want to.
The fact that his friend didn't do anything, dude. He just Snapchatted it. What's his deal?
I don't know, dude. Yeah, like why would he, who chucks a cat? And that cat last out is so sad. But yeah, a bunch of people want to beat him up now, and I want to see that happen. If you guys live near him, here's his address. I'm just joking, I'm not gonna show you. But there's his address on Twitter if you really like want to know, and then yeah. But yeah, it's not up, guys. Don't throw cats. Animal cruelty is not okay. William's super shook right now.
Well, he was the head of the maintenance. I wrote the last one. And he was the head of the maintenance.
Well, anyways, so we're gonna finish up here, and then it's gonna be a road trip. Not a road trip. It's gonna be from here to Santa Ana. I'll have to go home and pack because I have to go to school too. Hi, update. I have all my stuff packed right now, and we're gonna head out to where is it? Diamond Sea Bar.
We out here.
What? We out here. Look at all these chickens. All right. See you then. Elise. Elise.
Hey, you bought his camera.
Elise.
Alright.
Elise. Elise. Elise.
Elise Navida.
Say hi to yourself.
Say hi to yourself.
So we just made it. The car ride was pretty short, but Elise, she's grumpy. Elise. It's my cousin Kevin. This is Mike. This is Elise and Laura's dad. They're just playing games. Kids these days, am I right?
It's like, dude, you have this.
Kids these days, am I right? Am I right? Elise! Elise, why do you not like me anymore? She's grumpy. First thing is out already, guys. So my dad just went up to me and was like, what's wrong with your mom? I'm like, what do you mean?
Okay.
What? What?
They just stole a kiss.
And my dad was like, what's wrong with your mom? Like, what do you mean? And he's like, your mom just yelled at me in front of everybody. I'm like, yeah, and he's like, why is she doing that? What's wrong with her? I'm like, I don't know. He's like, send her home. We don't need that kind of people here. Paul, why are you looking so fly? What?
Oh, did you want the bread?
Oh.
Yeah, get rid of the bread.
Cái này ngon lắm nè.
Wait.
I don't know what's going on, but I'm pretty sure my dad and his brother are doing a skit, and then I'm gonna sing. Alright, my cousin's gonna film for me.
Look at this cat.
It's a cute cat. Oh, also guys, the guy that threw the cat, got arrested. And if I ever see him, I'll probably beat him up because that's so messed up.
Shut your ass down.
Shut your ass I'm so full already, but this looks so good. This one's fried fish.
Ơi là thế, đời sống không là bao. Ơi là bao, đời sống lâu là thế. Ơi được bao. Và kính thưa các vị con cháu xa gần, bạn hữu.
Chưa vậy bộ thánh đoàn.
Sau 60 năm hoàn thành bản án, bây giờ hai người được bật. Và bây giờ theo cái bồi thẩm đoàn như này hai phạm nhân chưa đạt tiêu chuẩn hung. Hung là gì? Xin nói thiệt.
Not gonna lie,
Khi hung cơ thể,
I didn't think my uncle was gonna join me, and it kind of.
bắt ống nghiền, ăn không được cắn chặt môi. Miệng không được mở rộng như cái miệng nồi để tránh tình trạng lưỡi rơi.
Alright, but yeah, there you go. Now we're just gonna finish this fried rice because fried rice is always the last dish, and then dessert. And be out of here. Scout scoobly doo. Scoop bop bop a loop bop bow out of here. Alright. What is my dad doing? What is he doing? Look, can you see yourself?
That was good.
What are you doing?
086.
Oh, she's 6. 6 years old.
How old are you? What number are you holding?
Yo, what is she doing? What is going on?
Okay, wow, they made it.
What is going on? Hey, man.
Plastic water.
What is happening?
What is going on?
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Hold this, hold this. You guys want to see what you look like?
We're going on the boat.
We're going on a ship in our favorite rocket ship.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
What?
Have you never heard that song? Alright, well it looks like I'm driving my family to someplace, so then I'm gonna go back to school and edit and finish this. Well, my mom is yelling, and now it's windy, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's been day 3, so remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.